Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how I can connect your Hostinger domain to system.io. Okay, so first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to log into your system.io account as well as your Hostinger account. Okay, so right here on Hostinger, you just have to tap on this the domains option. That's right, and you'll be able to see here now your domain. So we are just going to copy this one and then open your system.io. That's right. And then here, just going to tap on the settings. So tap on your profile. Then after that, I just have to go here under the custom domains. That's right. And then we're just going to add a new domain right here. So simply tap on this one. Then you just have to paste here the name of your hosting or domain. After that, just tap on save. So I'm just going to put here www dot, and then after that, tap on the save option. Okay, so just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then once you're done, you'll be able to see here now your hosting your domain. Okay, so you just have to make sure that you have changed the DNS configuration for your domain. So we are going to copy this one right here. So we are just going to open our domain and then tap on the manage DNS. Okay, so right here, after that, you can actually add here the DNS record. So since our domain provider is the Squarespace, so I'm just going to log into my Squarespace account. Okay, so let me just tap on my domain right here and then go to the DNS section, go to your DNS settings, and then we are going to add here a new record. And then after that, go back here, and then we have this DNS configuration. So yeah, for our host, you just have to look for your host. So this would be www, and for our type, it's a CNAME. That's right. And then for the alias data, we have this one right here. That's right. And then you just have to paste it right here. Okay, and then you just have to tap on the save option. Okay, and then for our second record, so we have this one. So once you're done adding these new records right here, you just have to go back here and then just wait for the status to be updated. So it will take some time, maybe about minutes or 24 to 48 hours before you can finally see here that this new domain is validated. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.